Alright, so look what I found. This timing guide here, it just sits here. It's supposed to touch in here. Top guide timing chain. It's broken off. That's why it just jumped out. That's one of the reasons that this vehicle, when you start, it's making a noise at the start. And then it disappeared because of the timing chain got tension by the timing chain tensioner. Once the timing chain tensioner is got pressure from the oil pump, then it will tighten the timing chain here and it will stop the noise. But before that, this would probably hit on this metal here because this guide is no longer touched, and it would make a noise until for a couple of seconds, and it will stop once the oil pressure is present. So I guess you can see it. You can see it's hitting on the top because the timing chain is so shiny. And if you look at the top, right there, see that? See that there's a timing chain mark there. You can see the mark of the timing chain. So yeah, I'm not sure on the other side here. Later I'm gonna open it next. But yeah, if you have a Hyundai or Kia, I think the same, 3.3 liter, and if you have an engine noise on the startup during the engine start and it disappear, it's because of this. You gotta take a look, because if you keep driving like this, it obviously this timing chain, it will disappear because you keep hitting on that metal there. So all right, just to let you know. All right, if you want to support this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, so we can create more good content in the future. Thank you for watching.